ever been super excited to warm up some cinnamon rolls, but then felt the struggle of trying to get them perfectly warm without ending up with a disappointing dry mess? Welcome back to our kitchen. It's Blogging Good Food. I am Hannah, your go-to guide for all things delicious. Today, we are addressing the challenge of reheating cinnamon rolls. But before we jump into these gooey delights, don't forget to check our website, blogginggoodfood.com, where we put kitchen tutorials to the test and share our honest reviews. Now let's get to the good stuff. So, you have got a batch of cinnamon rolls sitting in the fridge or maybe even in the freezer, and you are wondering, how can I bring these back to life? Fear not, my friends, because I have got 3 super easy methods for you. First up, the microwave method. This one's perfect for those moments when you need a quick fix. Place your cinnamon roll on a microwave-safe plate. Cover it with a damp paper towel. Zap it for about 20 seconds. But here's a trick. Low and slow is the way to go. You want the center to warm up without turning the edges into rubber. Nobody wants rubbery cinnamon rolls. Now, if you have got a bit more time on your hands and you are aiming for that fresh out of the oven vibe, the oven is your best friend. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Place these rolls on a baking sheet. Let them hang out there for about 8 to 10 minutes. The result? Crispy edges, gooey center. It's like they just came out of a bakery. And for my favorite method, we are talking about steaming. This is a game changer, folks. Set up a makeshift steamer by placing a heat-proof bowl over simmering water. Cover it up and let the steam work its magic for 5 to 7 minutes. Steaming keeps them moist without sacrificing their delightful flakiness. It's like a spa day for your cinnamon rolls. Now let's wrap this up with a quick recap. Whether you are microwaving for speed, baking for that fresh out of the oven feel, or steaming for ultimate moisture, there is a method for every craving. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, the kitchen is your playground. Experiment, have fun, and enjoy every bite.